how to install APK files on your iOS or iPhone. So before starting the video, I would like to make this clear that APK files are not meant for iOS. It's only meant for Android. That's because APK files use JavaScript, and on your iOS, JavaScript doesn't work. It has different kind of script, or you can say it uses different code. So that's not possible at all. But there are all kind of videos on YouTube which says how can you install APK on your iOS, but all those videos are basically fake. So how can you install now? What can you do? So basically on your Android, the files are called APK. So third-party files, APK format supports on your Android, but on your iPhone, it has a different story. It's called IPA. So on your iPhone or your iOS, the files are known as IPA. It's basically Android APK, but on iOS, it's called IPA. Now, on your Android, in order to install a APK file, you just tap on it and there will be an install button. It's that simple. But on your iOS, things are not that simple. So when you tap on an IPA file, so as you can see, you cannot install it. So it has a different story. In order to install a IPA file on your iOS, you need different third-party site loading apps. So what is a site load? So what is a site loading apps? So basically, site loading apps are third-party app store. It's a different app store. So they are not official, they are third-party. So by using third-party site loading apps, you can install IPA files on your iOS. That's a bit tricky, but you can do the job. So on the next video, or I will link the video on the description, how can you install IPA file using a site loading app. So check the description or check the I button on the top in order to know how can you install. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.